guys, welcome back for travel and adventures vlog. Right now we are in Mukka beach and I just fly the drone. We got a good footage and you can see the footage over in this video. And here is my friend, my childhood buddy Vishwas here. So we are planning to explore all the beaches in Mangalore. So tomorrow we are planning to go for Sasitlu beach, then Sasitlu beach. This is right now we are in Mukka beach. And we have planned for Suratkal lighthouse also, and Panambur beach. There are many beaches in Mangalore, so definitely I try to get all the drone views for you guys and 360 videos also.